Hey Trailites, welcome to Happy Box How-Tos, where upper year students teach you essential life skills for surviving your first year of university.
Good morning, Chef Christopher from the Trend at the Trail. A few healthy tips. One is when you're sauteing vegetables, instead of just free pouring your oil, use a spritzer bottle. Use less oil and it's better for you. Snack time at 3 o'clock in the afternoon when the body starts to wear down, instead of chips and a chocolate bar, try a piece of fresh fruit. And then at mealtime, little greens with your main course. Have a great day. Thank you.
Hi, I'm having breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite part of the day, and also it is the most important meal of all the meals. Essentially, that's because, as the name suggests, breakfast means breaking a fast. So that's why it's so important to make sure what you're eating is healthy and, not to down a McDonald's burger. So I'm having eggs and potatoes and bacon and a piece of tomato today. I love eggs. It's full of proteins and it's just great. So just make sure you have breakfast because it's very important. Always keep your tummy full because it will give you the energy to function throughout the day.
Make sure to tune in next time for more helpful tips for life as a first year student.